One of the best features of MyFavorito is the built-in multi-purpose multi-channel loyalty system. Clubs can choose to reward their fans valuable activities, for example, attending matches, purchasing season tickets and club memberships, buying merchandise, and perhaps most importantly, spending money with fan-empowered sponsors. The MyFavorito system allows you to automatically reward fans with loyalty points every time they redeem a sponsorship offer and send money to your club. Head to the settings section of the dashboard. Here you will find many options to customize and optimize your community, including referral programs, data privacy agreements, and the focus of this video, loyalty points. You can find more information on all of these settings in the help section of the dashboard. Locate the loyalty points section and click Edit. You can give your loyalty points a customized name. By default, they will just be named after your club. You can also decide how long the points are valid for. In the loyalty points per redemption section, enable Yes, users receive at least 1 loyalty point per redeemed action code, and enter the amount required to receive a loyalty point. For example, 1 point for every €1 the fan sends to your club. And finally, you can set up a weekly or monthly loyalty gift to reward your fans for their participation in the community and their continued support. Enable automatically assign loyalty points and decide how many points you would like to reward your community members with and how often you would like them to receive this loyalty gift. For example, every week, every month, or every 6 months. Scroll down to Promotion to redeem and give your gift a title and description. Upload an eye-catching image. This is what the fans will see when they receive the gift. Click Save and your fans can start earning loyalty points.